Hello people, so this is my 16th video of the day, and I have to say this people that I wish I could keep changing my locations, but today though, as of right now, it's not possible because I have, like you said, like you can see these tiny little souls with me, and if I were to just get off the bed, they want to leap off and follow me, so it's it's a bit risky. No, so like I said, I wish I could shoot at different locations, and because the place where I stay, like opposite my apartment, opposite is this 4-story high tall rock. Can you believe it? It's as beautiful as that, so um, I wish I could give you my actual postal address, but this being YouTube, we got to be careful. So but no, so that's what someday I'd like to just take the camera and go and shoot there, but then all the colony ke bacche will come, they'll also want to be part of YouTube, which is good. But that's what, right now I just touched 1,000 videos, and like they say, right, we should play to our strengths. So I'm good at these, I'm very loud and talkative when I'm shooting in my room. Once I step outside, I just keep muttering something into the camera, so you can't hear anything, so then what's the point? So anyway, this is my 16th video. I've already crossed 1 minute. 100 video challenge, yeah, go for it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.